Hello, I'm going to guide you through our new vocabulary worksheets. Our new vocabulary worksheets are double-sided for an entire week. So that's one page with two sides as opposed to our old one, which was 2 pages with 2 sides. So it's called before. The first thing you need to do is put your name and hour on the top. You can just put the first hour you have with me. So that would be 4th, 1st, or 7th. Once you've done that, you'll find there's no longer daily vocabulary on the board. Instead, all there is a weekly root. You need to write down the weekly root here. For this week, I think it is aqua. So I put an aqua there. You'll be handwriting yours. And then you need to identify 4 words that use aqua as their root. You could think of ones that you know. You could ask people in the room. You could look through your literature books underneath you. Here is an example that I know off the top of my head. Aquarium. And then you would find 3 more. Once you've found them, on Tuesday, our task is to put the word, so you found the root word aqua, and from it you've identified the word aquarium, so aquarium is now there. Then you have to illustrate the definition. Illustrate could both mean draw, or it could actually mean define the word. Illustration just means to expand upon something. So I'm just going to write a sealed place full of water for sea life. Very nice to me. And then you need to find 2 synonyms. So a synonym for an aquarium might be something like a fish tank. Now, because there's room for it, you can actually write a fish tank is a synonym for aquarium. And then you need to find antonyms. The opposite of that might be, well, what's the opposite of a sealed place full of water? An open place without water would be a desert. Is opposite, as it is open and free of water. And then you need prefixes and suffixes. For aquarium, there isn't a prefix because aqua is the root and that comes first. So what you're left with is ium. Ium, as you might know from words like gymnasium, lyceum, you're probably going to notice a pattern or a trend, but I know already that ium means place. So you've got something like an aquarium, aqua, ium, means water place. So it's basically the place full of water, just like a gymnasium is the place for gymnastics. It's the exercise place. After that, you'll have to go down to making 2 sentences. The sentences will use the word aquarium in them. So something like, I went to the aquarium because I wanted to see the sharks swimming in the water. And then you need another sentence unrelated to that one. Something like, when I bought my aquarium, it was too small to fit my giant octopus. Something like that. So you need 2 sentences that define the word in their context. That means you can't say something like, I like aquariums. You could say that with anything. You could say, I like shoes, I like carpets, I like roofs. You've got to actually say, like, I like aquariums because they're a great place to put my favorite fish. Otherwise, they would die because, you can't just have your fish laying on the ground. So that's what you do. This is what you do on a Monday. On a Tuesday, you do this. On a Wednesday, you do this. On a Thursday, you do this. Friday, there's going to be a quiz on them. You've got an option to put in 4 words, but you only have 3 days and 3 spaces for the words, which means if you pick a word that really doesn't work, at least you could ignore that word and choose another. That's how we're going to do our daily vocabulary for a while. That's how all of the 6th grade and all of the 5th grade is going to be doing it as well.